Hi everyone, welcome to another quick session. In this session, we will discuss risk response strategies. The four main risk response treatment strategies used in information security and risk management. First is risk acceptance. So, risk acceptance means you acknowledge the risk but decide not to take any action to prevent or reduce it. Because if the cost of dealing with the risk is higher than the potential loss, so then you decide to accept the risk. For instance, a small company might accept the risk of hardware failure instead of investing in a costly backup system, right? If the backup system cost is higher than the potential loss, then you decide to accept the risk. Second is risk mitigation. Risk mitigation uh, you reduce the likelihood or impact of the risk by implementing controls or countermeasures. For instance, you lower the risk, but some residual risk remains, risk that is left after controls are applied. For example, installing antivirus software to reduce the risk of malware infection. The third is risk assignment. Uh, Risk assignment, we call it risk transfer. So you pass the risk to third party. Common method is insurance or outsourcing, buying a cyber security, buy cyber insurance to cover potential losses from data breaches, right? So the last is risk avoidance. So that means you eliminate the risk entirely by not engaging in the activity that creates it. When risk is too great and not worth the potential benefit. For instance, you do not launch an app due to high security concerns. If launching an app could be a potential security risk and concern, then you decide not to launch an app. So this is how you avoid the risk. So that is quick summary about all these four different um, uh, different different used different risk response used in information security and risk management. Thank you so much for watching this session. Any question or feedback, please share in the